Hi guys, what's up? This is me, Anushka, and we are live after a long time. Hi, Sparsh. Hi, hey Ayush, what's up? Hi, Rupak. So, thank you so much for 9 million followers on Instagram. Hi, Sakina. Hi, Aniket. Hi, Deepika. I'm gonna just say hi. Surprise live, didn't know. No, it was not a surprise live. I didn't let everyone know today. Like few hours back, it was like a sudden today I realized that I wanna go live. Looking super cute. Thank you so much. This look, thank you guys, thank you so much. Thank you so much for 9 million followers on Instagram. It's just really big for me. मुझे believe ही नहीं हुआ कि हम इतने जल्दी 9 million पहुंच गए. But thank you so much. Guess missed the story then. No issues. Hi Purvi, hi Glossy, hi Molly, how are you? 16k, yes, 17k viewers. Damn. My heart, thank you. Hi Mukit, hi Anshul443. So thank you so much for all your wishes. The reason I'm live today is because of my CBSE results, 89.4. Thank you so much for all your wishes. I saw so many people, everyone appreciated, and so many stories. I saw so much. Oh wow, we reached 19,000. So yeah, lot of appreciation from you guys, from the media people, from the print people, and I'm just really grateful for that. And in fact, right now, because it's 19,000, I'm gonna show you guys this. So this is my result, by the way. You guys can see it clearly here. So I'm gonna still let you guys know the total because there are comments on that. So see, English, it's 96, economics is 94, and physical education I got 100 out of 100. Accounts I got 60 because it was tough, and the last one is 97, business studies. So this is my result. I thought I'll just show it, I'll just put it out there since it's we're reaching 20,000 viewers. So yeah, but thank you so much for all your love. Woohoo, 20,000. So yeah, this was my result, and let me go back. Yeah, let me take a photo. So yeah, this was pretty much my result, and I thought I'll just let you guys know about that. I didn't believe when I saw the, I was really having a lot of anxiety because 5 hours I was waiting in front of the laptop, and even my parents. So but finally 89.4. I'm really glad to have amazing teachers, and my principal ma'am, my friends, Parsar, and then my parents, of course. So I'm really glad to have them. Everyone was like, you're working, and most of the time, hi Ipshita, what's up, cutie? So most of the time people ask me, because I'm an actor, and how I manage my studies and how I got how I scored so much in my board. But it's actually because when I study, I'm like actually just studying. I try to focus 100% and give my 100% in the paper. But I'm really happy. In fact, I'm proud of all the students. Today the SSC results came out, and some of my friends are from SSC. In fact, Nidhi and Keisha also scored really amazing, and I'm really proud of them. So everyone, I would just want to say congratulations to everyone who gave their boards, CBSE, SSC, ICSE. Everyone's results are out finally. So all the best for your future, and I am very excited. My college life is gonna start. Did you see my voice out of excitement? How are you, Ipshita? Sup, buddy? I miss you. Wow, congratulations. Thank you, Sanjukta. Thank you. Thank you, Abhishek. Thank you so much. I'm really glad that because of my teachers' guidance because of my parents' guidance, I could concentrate and give my 100%, in the paper. My accounts was a little down because I didn't get that much time to do accounts. But yeah, it's okay. I'm very happy about it, so it's cool. But seriously, if you see, it's 60, 94, 96, 97 and 100. It's my first 100 out of 100. I'm very happy. Yay. Congratulations. What is that? What is that? Congratulations, beta. Thank you, Amay. Some guys are asking, CBSE. I was a CBSE student, guys. My results came out yesterday. No, day before. Day before, no? Day before. Congratulations. Thank you so much. Thank you, Rajasvi. Thank you for everyone's love and support. Thank you. I saw so much of in my DMs, when I saw my DMs on my fans, they were like, "Aaj koi nahi soega, sab nacho." That was a mood, yeah. It was a mood. I'm so excited for my first year college. I can't wait for the forms to get out. You got these hats recently. You're wearing them a lot these days. Yes, I was waiting for these hats to come, but then now they're here, so I'm wearing them. It's so cool. I mean, I find it cool. Really love it. I see avocado. Yeah. Love from Kerala. Thank you. Soul Rider 421. Thank you. I was so my parents were very happy, and even all my relatives called. It's very happy. And if you see the Google, it's so cool. I mean, I'm just so grateful about that, of course, because all the media people supported and showered their love so much that if there was no coronavirus, I would legit throw a party just for the media people, because so much love and support. I'm not even kidding. I'm just very happy about that. Anushka, change your DP. It's been long. I know, but I just really love that picture, yeah. Just don't want. Not right now, probably. Hi, Anu. Hi, Sanex Treasure. Hi, Anushka, Into Admirer. Love from Assam. Thank you so much. I dance on Jhansi Ki Rani in school, so my teacher called me Jhansi Ki Rani. Oh, how sweet is that, Urja? Celebration time, in it. Yes, celebration time, baby. Oof, okay, ha. Huge congratulations. Thank you so much. Love from Delhi. Thank you. I so want to celebrate. I mean, I am celebrating at home, but I want to celebrate going outside, but that's not possible. But ghar pe it's cool, yeah. Having fun. A lot. Now the forms are gonna come out, the college forms. Then I'll apply for college. Shit. And 18 days to 18. Guys, in 18 days I'm gonna turn 18. Yeah. Yes. I'm coming. Party, bro. Come no, Ipshita. Come. You come from Kolkata. I'm telling you to come, yeah. If you were here, we would party. So much. We know how much we would party. Angelic Bay got 93.4% in her 10th board. Please congratulate her. Congratulations, Angelic Bay, for getting 93%, 93.4 in your 10th. That's amazing. I'm so proud of you. Yeah, forgot the outside world for a couple of years. New normal. Forget the outside world. Acha. I swear. Shia. Not fair, yeah. Yay, 18 soon. कितना प्लान था मेरा. I wanted to have my license by now. Oh dear God. Show your outfit. Okay. Let me show. जितना दिख सकता है मेरे को. See, I'm wearing an oversized. Yeah, pretty much. That's it. Do you like this username? I love it. Heart wants Anushka. I got 85%. Congratulations, Veshu. Congratulations. I'm so proud of each and everyone who got, who got the results right now. My brother got 93% in his board. Wow! Congratulations to him. No, Noor. Hi, Noor Zehra. How are you? What's poppin'? Can you come live on your birthday? I would. Why not? Want to see Damon? Ipshita, wait. There you go. You have a thing for oversize.